Hello guys, this is Reese from Bommarito St. Peter's Volkswagen in St. Louis. Today I'm bringing you a 2020 Volkswagen Passat SE with sunroof package. This is pure white with a Shetland beige interior. Yes, they've brought Shetland beige over to the Passat. LED headlights, LED running lights, which line up nicely with the grille. 17-inch alloy wheels, keyless entry on 2 doors, LED tail lights, chrome exhaust tips integrated into the bumper. There's a look at those LED tail lights and the Passat nameplate. Nice looking car. There's a look at your sunroof. Let's take a look inside. Oh, before we do, 28080. Extras are going to be the sunroof package for $995, monster mats for $235, and roadside assistance kit for $85. Not much has changed on the inside. Same, one touch up, one touch down, window locks, trunk release, power door locks, heated mirrors, all of that stuff is standard. Excuse me. Automatic headlights, coin box for storage right here, little coin slots right there as well. An adjustable steering wheel, which you can pull in, push out, raise, lower, however you need it. Instrument cluster has a bit of an upgrade with the red accents around the dials. Same flat bottom steering wheel. This has adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. The vents, more like an Arteon, linear in nature across the dash. The MOA2 radio is the same, just a little bit of chrome accents here. You do still have App Connect using Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, or MirrorLink, and that USB port right there. Dual heated seats, dual climate zone. This is the same here. Emergency brake right here, the good old manual e-brake. A little bit of storage right here in this armrest. So you have that as well. And then the same leatherette heated seats. Sunroof works the same with the dials. Nice good look there. Sunglass storage there. Let's look at the back seat. Same back seat. 2 USBs, vents in the rear, and fold down armrest cup holder. Nice large trunk. And I was trying to get this video done in 3 minutes or less. Here we go, guys. If you're interested in this car, 636-290-4257. 636